everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cross wreath. Most of the materials can be purchased at Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree. You will need mashed ribbon, 2 of each color. You need scissors, a ruler is optional, and stems. You can also purchase a cross at Dollar Tree. Now you will start by cutting your ribbon at any length you want, or you can roll the ribbon and cut at the sides you want it. Grab your stems and cut it in half. You grab your 3 ribbons and you place your stem in the middle and twist, and you repeat the same steps. I'll be doing 2 blues and 1 silver, then I'll switch it up to 2 silvers and 1 blue. Once you have all of your ribbons tied, you will start placing them at the center of the cross. Make sure your stem is well tightened, because they can get loose and you will see an empty spot. As you can see, it looks full. I place 8 of them in each section of the cross, and you're done. It's optional to add decorations to your cross. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.